Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the important Node.js interview questions. And the first question is, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other services, sites, technologies like Apache and PHP? The answer for this question is Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome V8 engine. Unlike Apache or PHP, Node.js uses a non-blocking event-driven architecture. It excels at handling many simultaneous connections with a high throughput. Node is ideal for real-time apps like chat or gaming servers. PHP and Apache follows a synchronous multi-thread models. And, and the next question is, what is callback function in Node.js? And why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? For this, the answer is a callback is a function passed into another function to be executed later. In Node.js, callbacks handle asynchronous operations like file reading or API calls. They prevent blocking the main thread during the IO task. This helps the node remain fast and responsible under heavy loads. Using callbacks is a core pattern in Node.js development. And the third question, what is the purpose of package.json file in a Node.js project? Mm, i- we we use package.json because it holds the metadata about a Node.js project. It lists dependencies, scripts, projects, details, and a name and version. And the key properties of Node.js is dependencies and scripts and main. It helps manage and install required packages using npm. It is essential for sharing and maintaining the Node.js projects. And the fourth one is explain the differences between the require and import statements in Node.js and why would you use one over another? For this, we use the required in common JS models. The default in Node.js import is used in ES modules, which follows the modern JavaScript standards and requires load models synchronously. We import the support async or static analysis. We use import when using EMS or writing the modern font and like Node code. Use require in traditional or old Node.js contents. The question is, what is the middleware in the context of express.js? Can you give examples of how do you use the middleware in the middle? And middleware function have access to the request response and the next function. They are used for tasks like logging, authentication, and parsing data. In Express, middleware runs before final route handles. Example app.use like this. And I'm going to the next question. What is the RESTful API and how can we create one using Node.js and Express.js? What is REST API? The REST API uses the HTTP methods to access and modify the resources. And commonly we use get method, read method, post method, create, update, and delete. Using expect.js, we can define the routes for each method and path. Next, what is the purpose of Node.js Node package manager npm? npm is a default package manager for Node.js. If you install, update, and manage the external libraries, and they are saved in the node modules and listed in the package.json, and we can run script and manage versions easily with npm. And the last question, why it is important to hash passwords in a web application? Plain text passwords are dangerous if a database is compressed. Hashing converts the password into fixed irreversible values. It protects the user even if the data is leaks, and it secures the algorithms like bcrypt, adding, salting to prevent attacks. Hashing ensures better security and user trust.